In this session, we are going to see how to work with a non-root user, right? Non-root user. So we will create a user and then we will see whether we are able to run Docker commands or not. So let's create a user first. Command will be add user. And the name, let's make it Himanshu. A password. Okay. Now the default values. To cross check, you can also go to the password file. So the user has been created. Okay. Now let's switch to that user. So Himanshu. Switch user to Himanshu. Right. Now let's try to run some commands. So docker image ls. Oh, got permission denied while trying to connect to the docker daemon socket. And Unix set this sys.sock get http like blah 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 blah, and at last dial Unix permission denied. Right. So now what you need to figure out first, check the permission of this file. Right, check permission of this file. Try to understand why this error is there. So switch back to the root user. Now ls-la. See, the permission of this file is either root or this group members of the Docker, right? Either root user or the member of this group can use this file. So whenever you are going to run any Docker command, directly you are triggering this file. So you need permission. That's why permission is denied, because the user Himanshu is not a member of this group, and it is also not the user of this, like it is not it is a non-root user, right? So what we need to do now, we need to make the member of this Docker group of to the user Himanshu. So for that, user modification user mode hyphen append to the group. Okay, append to the group. Which group? Docker. And now which user? Himanshu. Simple. Correct. Simple. Now switch back to Himanshu. Now docker image ls. Sorry. C. Okay. Docker container ls. So this is how you get rid of that permission error. Okay. Always try to figure out what kind of error you are facing. It is saying permission denied when you are working with this user. So when we check the file, this var run /docker.sock, so only root user or the member of this Docker group can access this file. So we just change the permission of this user. We made this user a member of Docker group. Now we are able to run Docker very pretty well. Okay, I will see you in the next session now.